Okay, so starting at the door here is what it's looking like. I'm not gonna go all the way up because my room number and stuff is at the top, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I got this little thing off of Amazon. It just helps keep your door shut so that anyone from the outside cannot open it. I'm a little OCD, which is why I have it, but yeah, that's besides the point. And then when you turn to the right after coming into the door, I just have my keys right here on a command strip hook so I don't lose them. And then there's a closet right here. I just store like all of the boxes from when I moved in, my ironing board, and then what is this, a vacuum and a Swiffer. And then it does have a little shelf up there that I have extra storage in. And then once you turn to the left, here is my kitchen. I do have a full kitchen, so it comes with a stove, fridge, microwave, all of that. This is what it looks like. It's pretty functional, big enough for me. I don't even have that many things, so yeah. And then over here in the corner is where my washer and dryer lives. It's kind of small, but I mean, what else am I gonna do? And then right here where the sink is, it does have this little opening in the kitchen where you can like put bar stools on the other side. I'll show you guys in a second, but it's really cool because then you can look out. If you have your TV over there, you can watch TV. And then right here to the left is the bathroom. I'm not going to show you guys that just yet. I do have a full-length mirror that came with the room. It's attached to the wall. That's what it's looking like. Y'all not going to see me in it because I look busted. But then you come over this way and I have a little dining area. By the way, all of the furniture in this room came with it aside from what I brought with me, which I will tell you guys. So yeah, I have a little dining area. It came with 3 chairs. There's a light above it. And then by the way, there's pictures on the wall throughout this video. All of these pictures that you guys see came with the room and we're not able to remove them, so they've just been living there. But then here is this side of the wall. This is what I was talking about where I said that there's a little bar stool area where you can put things. Turn left from the table. Here is my desk area. It's a little bit messy. This is what we got. This is me. But I just have like my binder, planner, all of that stuff on there. And it is like a 2-part desk. This is the top part of the desk. This is the bottom part. This table actually pulls all the way out, which is really helpful when I'm studying and I need a lot of space. And then it also has this drawer where I keep a little bit of extra things in. This little contraption right here, it spins, and I got this from TJ Maxx. It's so helpful because it keeps all my pencils, pens, scissors, highlighters, all of that stuff in there. And then I got this little organizer from TJ Maxx as well. It's really nice. It's really helpful. On top of the organizer, I just have 2 staplers and then a writing thing for my chalkboard and a little block. I got this stapler from Target. I believe I got this one from Target too, just to keep in my backpack. And then this little block here is from TJ Maxx. On one side it says think, and then on the other it says evolve, and it's just so freaking cute. First of all, can we talk about this floor? Like, this flooring messes up my vibe, but it's okay, it's okay. And then once you turn back this way, back to the right, there is a couch that came with the room along with those throw pillows. I don't ever sit on the couch because it just looks dirty to me and I don't want to sit on there and I feel like I'm gonna get really dirty. And then there's a little table that houses a lamp, and then my Christmas decorations that I have not put away yet. This little ottoman thing also came with the room. It's like a little footrest. You can sit on it or put your feet up if you're sitting on the table. If you're sitting on the table, yep. Looking this way, you see the balcony. The balconies are locked, so we can't go on them, but I mean, is it really locked though? Coming over to the corner, turning to the right next to the couch, I just have my little gray ottoman that I got from Target. It does store things in it as well, so you can open it. This lamp came with the room also. It's really bright, which makes up for the lights on the ceiling because they aren't super bright. These curtains also came with the room. Like, they're kind of ugly, but yeah. Over here in this corner, I just have the box for my clothing rack, so when I move out I can put it back in there and take it out. I have my lash bed because, you know, your girl be doing lashes, so come get your lashes snatched, okay? I have this little chest thing here, also came with the room. It's really cool actually because this side they all have drawers that open. I had things in them but I took them out. And then this one is actually an entire chest that just opens, and I just have shipping supplies in there. I used to have my TV right here, but I oftentimes go back and forth between moving my TV from out here to in my room. If I'm doing lashes and I want something playing, I'll bring my TV out here so that it's not dead silent when I'm doing someone's lashes. But I just have some junk up here. Like on here I have my printer. I have a couple of things on top of the printer. I have like a little picture that I need to hang up, and then like some papers and stuff that I need to put away. But yeah, that is an that's an overview of this room. This is like the dining area slash living room area where the kitchen is and all of that jazz. Oh, also there's a little mirror on the wall right there that you guys can see. Side note, I do have a candle burning. Mind your business and don't tell on me and I won't tell on you. Coming back this way, this is my room. So once you go into the room, this is a little overview of what it looks like. There's another closet. I mainly use this closet for like my shoes and now jackets that I wear, because the other one isn't that big. So I just store like towels, extra blankets, some jackets, and then my shoes are at the bottom. It's a fairly decent sized closet. You can make it like a coat closet, which is kind of what I did. But yeah, that just sits right behind the door. And then this is the other door to the bathroom, but we'll get to that in a second. Over here, I have a little nightstand, and it comes with 2 drawers. I have these on either side of the bed, which is really helpful. But here is my closet. This is my main closet. I just flick the switch on, and then when you open it, this is what she's looking like. So it looks like it has like a little shelf in there. I have some stuff up there, and then you have this side. It's not that big, but I mean it's doable. Around here is my bed. My bed is so freaking huge, you guys. Like it's literally so big. Just to go over my bedding a bit, I don't know where this blanket is from. It's like a little throw blanket. I got it for Christmas like 2 or 3 Christmases ago. All of my bedding is from Target though. So this cover, my sheets, my pillowcases are from Target, and I got 2 gray ones from Walmart as well. This husband pillow is from TJ Maxx, and then I have a little body pillow in the back that has a Sherpa covering on it. The body pillow is from Walmart. The Sherpa pillowcase is from Amazon. It's so nice, very comfortable. And then turning this way, this is where like my dresser sits with my TV on it. So it has 4 little drawers at the bottom that you can put clothes in. I have like clothes over here. I have hair products and stuff in the top one, and then the bottom one is just for random stuff. But on top of here, I just have my alarm clock. There's another lamp. I have like that stuff I need to put away. Here's my TV. By the way, our rooms came with a Roku, so that's lit. Like right here, I just have some more things. I usually keep like my little makeup thing up here. It doesn't have any makeup on it because I took my makeup home. This little stuff, a picture frame, my current makeup that I'm using, and then some more picture frames. I have this little door. This houses the water heating unit or whatever that is, the mechanical stuff, so I'm not gonna open it. But one day it opened on its own, and I was like, honey, why are you open? Moving over here to the other side of the bed, here is the other nightstand with the other lamp. I have like a burnt out candle that I'm gonna use to put my brushes in. I have all of that stuff there, and then I have my ring light over here because I was using it to take photos in my room. Here is the window with my view. I have a pretty decent view. It looks super pretty in the springtime when there's trees up, but the windows are also locked because like they think we about to do something, but like, is the window really locked? No. Like this clothing rack from Walmart. I just have a few little pieces on there that I'm gonna need to return, and then down here is stuff that I brought back with me from home. And yeah, that's a little overview of my room. I'm gonna do another once over for you guys to see it all, and then we're gonna move on into the bathroom. Okay, so coming into the bathroom, here's like a little once over for you guys to see everything, and let's get started. By the way, you guys will see that I have pants hanging from both of my bathroom doors because I don't put my jeans in the dryer, so there's that. But my bathroom, as I said, does have 2 doors, one from the outside closer to the kitchen and the front door, and then I have a bathroom. I have a door coming into the bathroom from my room. But if we go this way, this little closet thing houses like the water heating unit, the mechanical unit, just like the one in my room does. But it's over here. I have these bath mats. They're so cute. They remind me of bacteria, so they're the microfiber ones. I got them from Target. No, I got them from TJ Maxx. It came in a set of two, one big one, one smaller one. And then I have this little side. Underneath the sink I have storage, so I just keep cleaning supplies and extra toilet paper. And then here is my sink. I love the countertops on this. This is one of my favorite finishes on a countertop. But here's the sink. I have a couple things on there because obviously I just woke up, had to wash my face and stuff. I can't be stink breath on camera, even though you guys can't smell my breath. But yeah, then there's the mirror, the lights, all of that. Another stupid little photo frame. And then this is my shower. And I just have a plain white shower curtain on there that I got from Walmart. And then it has a little hanging thing there. And then it has, I brought my little over the door hanger from home to hang towels on as well. And that's literally the entire bathroom. It's nothing special. It's not that big. It's big enough for me because obviously I'm the only one here. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys another once over of the bathroom. And then this entire video is complete.